So now we are starting question number 33. Match the column and 1 and column to mark the appropriate choice. Here we have to mark atomic number with its appropriate period and group number. So the answer is option B actually. If you look at the periodic table, you will appropriately know the positions of the atoms with following atomic number. So atomic number 14 lies in period 3 and group 14, whereas atomic number 53 lies at period number 5 and group number 17. Atomic number 38 lies at group period 5 and group 2, whereas atomic number 78 lies at period 6 and group 10. So now we have to fill up following things. There are how many groups and periods in the periodic table, and the gaseous elements lie in which group, and electropositive elements lie in which group. So there are 18 groups and 7 periods in the periodic table. All members of 18 groups are noble gases, and the first group contains alkali metals which are most electropositive. Now we are going to start 35th question. Electronic configuration of few elements are given below. Mark the incorrect match. So the answer is option B, because look at the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. The principal quantum number is 2. So it belongs to second period, not third. I have attached the image of periodic table also. Here you can have a look. Nitrogen belongs to second period only with atomic number 7. Now we are going to start 36th question. The electronic configuration of few elements is given below. Mark the statement which is not correct about this element. Now just look at option B. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So that element is a noble metal. What do you think? The statement is correct or incorrect? Actually, the statement is partially incorrect because it is a noble gas, not a noble metal. Hence, the answer is option B. Now we are going to start the 7th question. Indicate the wrong statement on the basis of the periodic table. Let's look at first question. First option. The most electronegative element in the periodic table is fluorine. That is a correct statement. According to Pauling electronegative scale, its electronegativity value is around 3.9 or 4, which is the highest. And scandium is the first transition element and belongs to 4th period. That is also a correct statement. And there are 3 transition series in the periodic table, each containing 10 elements. That is a wrong statement because there are 4 transition series. I have written itself that 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D. There are 4 transition series. Okay. First element of 3D series is scandium. First element of 4D series is yttrium. Symbol is Y. First element of 5D series is lutetium. Symbol is Lu. And first element of 6D series is lawrencium. Okay. Now, fourth statement, along a period, halogen have maximum negative electron gain enthalpy. That is indeed a correct statement because they have 7 electrons. They have 7 electrons in the outermost shell. If they receive 1 electron, they will achieve complete octet. So obviously, their electron gain enthalpy will be negative. So answer is option C, by the way. Now we are going to start 38th question. In the periodic table, the maximum chemical reactivity is at the extreme left and extreme right. Which properties of these two groups are responsible for this? The answer is option A, because the elements on the left side have lowest ionization enthalpy, due to which they can easily lose electron, while the elements on the right accept electrons easily as they show highest negative electron gain enthalpy. So the answer is option A. So now we are going to start 39th question. First and second ionization enthalpy in kilojoule per mole of few elements are given below. Which of these elements will form halide with formula Mx2? So the answer will be option C, because if you look at the ionization enthalpy of second column, then second is a reactive metal from second group, and third one you can see it is a reactive non-metal from 17th group. For 17th group elements, the difference in successive ionization enthalpy is less. Hence the compound form will be Mx2. Second group, they have outer electronic configuration of Ns2. So they easily lose first electron, then less energy required to remove the second electron also. So the difference between first and second ionization enthalpy is not very big. Hence the second option, 900 and 1760, that belongs to second group only. And if you look at the values of third ionization, third column, 1680 and 3380, there is a huge difference between ionization enthalpy. So obviously it belongs to 17 group element, that is non-metal. So it will only form MX2 only, like calcium chloride, CaCl2, MgCl2, this type of elements. Now we are going to start 40 question. In the given graph, a periodic property R is plotted against atomic number of the element. Which property is shown in the graph and how it is correlated and the reactivity of the element? Here you can see clearly in the graph that it is a decreasing, like one quantity is decreasing against another. If one quantity increase, another quantity decrease. That's what we are seeing in this graph. Like x-axis, the quantity on the x-axis is increasing, whereas the quantity which is plotted on y-axis is decreasing against it. So which option is correct? Answer is option B. Ionization enthalpy in a group decrease and reactivity increase.